6, 7, 8.
Stop being.
Come on, model. I should hold it. Okay, wait.
My lips are being cut by my brackets. Ooh.
Hey! Oh, yay!
Can I get to press it?
Because I want.
Oh, you want to slide in? Okay, go.
Hello. So I just got back from Costco and I bought myself AirPods. Yay. I've been wanting these for a really long time. Like, as soon as they came out, everyone thought they were kind of stupid. I did too. But I finally decided to be basic and hop on the trend. I actually really wanted them because it's actually really frustrating on the iPhone 8 where you can't just plug in your earbuds and charge your phone at the same time. And I just really wanted them actually. Now I think they're kind of fashionable. Costco sells them for $20 less, so I definitely had to hop on that deal. I want to open this in front of you guys. I just couldn't wait till tomorrow to have good lighting just because I really want to open them now and I'm really tired. That has nothing to do with it, but let's slice it open.
Are you even cutting it?
Yes, I am. The plastic's...
Oh. Oh, those boxes do that.
Boop. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're little. Okay. Jade, do you want to be in this? Do you want to just come and be in it? Just come. Jade's gonna come back here. Okay, so these are like little instructions. It comes on this little. Mom. She's unpacking groceries, guys. So if you hear things, that's exactly what it is. Okay, so I have this, and these are like the instructions. We're gonna need those to follow them. And here are the little pods.
Wait, they're that tiny?
Yeah, they're like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take them out. Tiny. Oh my god, it looks like a little alien pod, like, you know. Okay, this is what they look like. No, it looks like
a Tic Tac or floss
kind of, but it's smaller. Like, it's way smaller. They're kind of heavy, almost. Like, they're heavier than you think.
Can I feel it?
And it feels like there's, like, candy inside. And then I'm gonna peel this off, because that's always satisfying. Oh, they're magnetic. Oh my god. They're magnetic. They're so fun.
Peace.
You can test drive it. Test drive it. Is that literally what I said? And then it comes with a little charger. Not with the head, but it comes with the actual charger. So if you don't have one, they have one inside. What I'm gonna do is connect this to my phone and I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is. I'm gonna read the instructions and then we're gonna do this together. Turn on Bluetooth. That's the first step. So I'm gonna just go on my phone, turn up the brightness. Bluetooth right now, just by clicking the B, it's already on. Next, it says connect AirPods. So open case near an unlocked iPhone.
Put your phone a bit closer.
There it is!
Something's happening.
Cool, what's happening? Okay, it says connect, so let's connect them.
Hold it a bit closer.
Oh, okay. Yes, and then now it says the percentage of the earbuds and the percentage of the case. Okay, here it is. And I think if you take one out individually, it shows the percentage of them individually. Just see how they work. Wait, so I'm gonna put them in my ear. Oh my god, it sounds so fun. And I think you can adjust what they do when you tap on them in the settings.
You look like those people that I see everywhere.
Oh my god, I've always wanted to be like the people that you see everywhere. Oh my god, this is so fun. Let's play a song. Since You've Been Gone.
I can hear
Oh my god, they sound so good. I can hear you talking, but it's like clear. Like it's really clear. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. I love these. You can click the actual button and like control what the left one does and what the right one does when you tap on it. So for the left one, I want it to be next track. And then for the right one, I'll do play/pause because I'll just go like that. Hey guys, it's future Jada and I just wanted to show you guys how I connected it to my laptop. I actually filmed this part while I was actually filming the video, but I just couldn't figure out how to work it. But a couple minutes after I finished filming, I figured out how to do it. So I'm just gonna show you guys right now how to quickly do that if you have another laptop that is not Apple. Okay, so this is my laptop and basically what I had to do was click this corner area. By the way, I have a Chromebook, so if you guys have a Chromebook, this is probably how you would do it too. You would click Bluetooth enabled, and originally Jada's AirPods wouldn't be showing as the second option. It was just not there at all. What you'd have to do is hold your AirPods right here, and if you turn it on the back, there's this little like circular button right there, and you have to press it and hold it, and it basically pairs it to another device. And then when you click it, it should be just as simple as connecting this to your iPhone. So yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, bye, back to the video. But overall, I love this so much. I just really needed a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, and I wanted to get the real deal because I just think that quality over like how much it is, that's not what.
Quality over quantity.
Yeah, but like, sure. But yeah, these are actually so cute. I actually am really excited to use these every single day, and I really think it's a good investment because if I use these every single day, it'd be like, let's do the math. So if I use these for years, then it'd be so worth the investment. I'm super excited to continue to use these. I think as a dancer also, not having that cord while you're like listening to music and trying to choreograph is gonna be so helpful. But yeah, I just wanted to film this quick unboxing because I was super excited to use these, and I'm so happy about my purchase. Again, I'm just super grateful that I have the ability to buy these and to just like have my own money and purchase my own things. But yeah, that's what I had to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this. This was just kind of like impromptu because I had no idea that I was actually getting to I had no idea that I had no idea that I was actually going to get them today. I went the other day with my dad because I already had the money at the time, and they sold out. Costco literally sold out since they were $20 less, and Apple sells them for $159 on their website, plus like shipping and all that stuff. It's such a good deal at Costco. So shout out to Costco. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. But yeah, be sure to follow me on all of my socials and keep up with all of the crazy things that I'm doing. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I just wanna throw my hands. I just wanna mic with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see you dance, girl. I just wanna shine like